your life will change. Before I talk about other people, let me make a confession. I used to lie to myself. I never faced the reality of my financial situation. I never really implemented everything that I used to learn. I then realized that the problem within myself. The more understood myself, I was able to make that change. I have a trick to share with you. If someone really wanted to do something, maybe start a business, start exercising, or start eating more healthy, so things like that. So they would already be doing it. By saying that I want to do it, they actually do not. A lot of things go by in our life with the excuses such as it takes time, it takes more time, or the right time has to come. So like that, we used to hear a lot of statements. Think about it, and only took you that split second decision to say yes to loved ones. The time factor was just to explore the relationship, but the decision was made in just 1 second. So today's message to you is, if you have been pushing things forward for a long time, you probably need to question yourself on why you do not want to do that thing. So take care. Once you understand the actual stumbling block or the limiting factor, which is mostly your own fear, then just to make that split second decision now. It is sometimes the first step that is the hardest thing. We used to think like that. After having read, heard, and watched a crap load of stuff over the years, when it comes to the personal development, it just boils down to one thing. If you really want to do something, you will find a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. If you understand this one thing to the depth of what it really is, your life will change. Really, your life will change. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.